Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can change your name on Tinder. So after you open the Tinder app on your mobile device, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. You must have tried going to your profile, searching, but you won't see any option called name. In the settings, there are many options, but none of them is used to change names on Tinder. So even if you buy Tinder Premium or Tinder Gold, you won't be able to change your name. The only way to change your name on Tinder is to delete your current account and make a new account using the name you want. But unfortunately, it's not possible in the current version of Tinder. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.